Welcome viewers. Today we are going to look at the following power options in PC. That is the lock, the sleep, the shutdown and the restart. I'm talking about the following PC icons. So today we are going to look at the real function of the shutdown, the restart, the sleep and lock in PC. We are now going to think about the PC as a person in the house or at home, and we will take the various power options or the power icons as its daily routine. The first one we are going to look at is the shutdown icon. The shutdown just works like someone going to bed for the night. Someone going to bed at night. So your PC is just like someone going to bed for the night. Everything stops. The light go off and it uses no more energy. When you turn it on again, it starts fresh. The next day, just like waking up in the morning. The main function of this shutdown icon is that it turns off your computer completely. It turns it off completely. And what are some of the effects? The main effect of this shutdown icon is that all programs close and the PCs use no more power. When do we use the shutdown icon? When you are done using the PC for a long time, or you want to save energy. You can also shut down when you are traveling. When you are traveling 3 days, 4 days, 1 week, you can shut it down. The next we'll look at is the sleep icon. This sleep icon also is just like someone going to bed or going for a short nap, a short rest. Going for a short rest. This is not sleeping, just for a rest. So this is your PC taking a short nap. Work is saved in the memory, so it wakes up super fast. This is perfect for a short break when you want to continue exactly where you have left. What is the main function of this? This puts your PC into a low power state. And let's look at the effect. It keeps your work in a memory, that is the RAM, so you can resume quickly anytime you want. When do you think you can use this? When you want to take a short break, when you want to quickly pick up where you left off. I think this is what the best. This is not the time to turn off the computer completely, but rather to put it to sleep where you want to continue at where you have left off after taking a short break. The next one we'll talk about is what? Restart. Restart also is just like what? You want to shower, you want to refresh yourself. You just want to refresh yourself, clean yourself up, fix a lot of things in your body and become fresh again. So basically, the restart is just like your PC taking a shower or freshen up. Your PC turn off briefly and then start fresh, clearing small issues, fixing some problems, and making everything run smoothly again. This is great after you have installed some updates or programs. When your PC is feeling slow, I think this is also the best icon to use. The main function is that it turns off your PC immediately and then start it again. What are some of the effects? It refreshes system files and clears temporary issues. When do you think it's the best to use this? After you install some programs, updates, drivers, but when your PC is acting slow. The next icon and the final icon is the lock. This one is just like when someone is leaving the home and locking the door before leaving. So this is icon is when you want to lock your PC and then step out for a while. Your PC keeps running, but no one can access it without your password. It keeps your work very safe while you are awake or you are away. The main function of this is that it locks your PC screen without closing the apps. What are the effects? It requires your password or your PIN, personal identification number, to access it again. That means you need your password to access it back. So when you are someone that you forget easily, then this icon is not the best for you. When do you think you can use this? When you are stepping away temporarily, but you don't want to close your work. That is the best option to use. So I hope today you know the rare use of the following. You know when to use the lock, sleep, shutdown, and the restart. So finally, we learned that the shutdown is what is equal to what to stop completely. The sleep is what just to rest a while or temporary rest. The restart is also when you want to refresh or you want to restart. And finally, the lock also secure the screen. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe. God bless you. Bye bye.